Hello, dear children. Welcome back to the grammar class. And today's topic is remembering it all. That is 1. So, the remembering it all, it is a whatever you have learned from the chapter 1 to 12. So, here you have to answer for these all the questions. So, that is page number 49. Remembering it all. Okay, so from chapter 1 to chapter 12, which we have learned, so we are going to remember it all. Okay, so now let's start doing this. Okay, the first one is look at the pictures, write their names. Okay, this all we have finished, isn't it? Just we have to revise that. Look at the pictures, write their names. So can you name these all the things, children? Yes. So what is this? Bread, kettle, then plates, chalk box, then tent, pen, umbrella, stool, book, pan, chair, bell, next table fan, then table, then last one is pencil. So we have to write the spellings properly in this given space. Okay, now let's write this. Name the pictures. Okay, let's write the name of these pictures properly. So here I wrote the name of the things. That is the first one, bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. The second one is plate, P-L-E-T-E, plate. And the third one is chalk box, C-H-A-L-K-B-O-X, chalk box. The fourth one is kettle, K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. And number 5, tent, T-E-N-T, tent. And number 6, pen, P-E-N, pen. And number 7 is umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. And number 8, stool, S-T-O-O-L, stool. And number 9, book, B-O-O-K, book. And the 10th one is pan, P-A-N, pan. And number 11 is chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. And number 12, bell, B-E-L-L, bell. And number 13, table fan, T-A-B-L-E, table, F-A-N, fan, table, fan. And number 14, table, T-A-B-L-E, table. And the last one is what, children? Yes, pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. So you have to write these spellings properly in your textbook. Okay, now let's move to the next one, B, that is complete these sentences using suitable words from the brackets. So we have to complete this sentence using suitable words. Here you can see 2 options in each bracket, but we have to select the right one which is suitable for this sentence. Okay, let's start the first one. There are many dash in the park. Okay, so options are child and children. So child is a singular, one. Children means a more, many, isn't it? So children means a many. So here they asked there are many. So many means we have to select child or children, children. Yes, we have to select a children. There are many children in the park. Next one. The second one, they have dash school bags. So heavy or tall, which is a suitable word for this sentence? Heavy, isn't it? Even though your bag also will be the heavy one. So they have heavy school bags. Next, we had gone to the dash park or road. We had gone to the park. Park is the right word. Next one. Her pet dog runs fast. It has a thin dash. So her pet dog runs fast. So it has a thin tail or ears. A thin tail is the suitable word. Next one. I saw many dash in the garden. See again, many means we have to see the plural. Okay, so squirrels or squirrel, squirrels is a plural, squirrel is a singular. So I saw many squirrels. Okay, that is the right one. Now let's write this answer. So now you can see answers here, children. There are many children in the park. They have heavy school bags. We had gone to the park. Her pet dog runs fast. It has a thin tail. And the last one, I saw many squirrels in the garden. Let's move to the next one. The next one, arrange these words in alphabetical order. So we have finished in the previous class. Yes or no? Yes. So the given words are foot, bear, rabbit, duck, sea and pony. So these words we have to arrange in a alphabetical order. So can you guess, children, which one comes the first one? So starting letter you have to see the first here, F, B, R, D, S and P. So which comes the first one according to the alphabetical order? Yes, bear. B-E-A-R, bear comes first one. And the next one, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. The next one is food. F-O-O-D, food. And number 4 is pony. P-O-N-I, pony. The next one, number 5th one is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. And the last one comes C. S-E-A-C. Okay, let's write these words in an alphabetical order here. So here you can see answers, children. So I wrote in a alphabetical order. Bear, duck, foot, pony, rabbit and C. Okay, so write as it is. Okay, the next one, D. Write the plurals of these singular words. So they have given here singular words. We have to convert into plural words. Okay, so plant is singular. What will be in a plural, children? Plants. Next, lorry, lorries. Foot is a singular. And what comes in a plural? Feet. Next, leaf, leaves. Now let's write this answer. So the next one is, how many vowels and consonants are there in the word Wonderland? So here they have given one word, that is Wonderland. So here we have to find out how many vowels and consonants are there. Okay. So how many vowel sounds are there, children, total? 5. That is A, E, I, O, U. And how many letters are there total in the English alphabetical? Yes, 26 letters are there in English alphabet, and in that 5 letters are vowels and remaining 21 letters are consonants. So now we have to find out how many vowels and consonants are there in this word Wonderland. Okay, let's find out here. You can see here O, E and A. So these are the vowel sound and the remaining letters are all consonants. Okay, let's write answer here. So here you can see answer, children. Vowel sounds are O, E and A. The next remaining consonants, that is W, N, D, R, L, N, D. So here you can observe, children, N has repeated twice and D has repeated twice. So I wrote both the letters here. Better you write. Okay. The next one, arrange the letters of the word Wonderland in alphabetical order. The same word we have to arrange in a alphabetical order. Okay. Let's arrange the word. So here I have arranged the word Wonderland in a alphabetical order. So you can see A, D, D. So D has repeated twice. Write it as it is. Then E, L, N and N has repeated twice. Then O, R, W. So this is the alphabetical order. Okay. The next one, complete these word pairs. Okay, so already we have learned this word pairs, isn't it? Yes, let's complete this. Lock and key. Day and, yes, night. Very easy. Dash and down. Up and down. The next, dash and knife. Fork and knife. Next, tall and, yes, tall and short. Next, dash and thin. Thick and thin. Next, black and white. Dash and bad. Good and bad. Next, near and far. Dash and poor. Rich and poor. The next, dash and boy. Girl and boy. The last one is police and, yes, thief. So these are the word pairs. Let's write the answer here. So here are the answer, children. So once again, just I'll read. Lock and key, K-E-Y, key. Day and night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Up and down, U-P, up. Next, fork and knife, F-O-R-K, fork. Next, tall and short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Next, thick and thin, T-H-I-C-K, thick. Black and white, W-H-I-T-E, white. Next, good and bad, G-O-O-D, good. Next, near and far, F-A-R, far. Next, rich and poor, R-I-C-H, rich and poor. Next, girl and boy, G-I-R-L, girl and boy. Next, police and thief, T-H-I-E-F, thief. So here we have completed the remembering it all. Okay, that is the first one. So after that, one more is there, that is afterwards you will get. That is remembering it all too. That comes in a next. Okay, so here we have completed remembering it all first. So page number 49 and 49 and 50 we have completed. So today's your homework is you have to complete this one, page number 49 and 50 in your textbook itself. Okay, so just see that video and write the answers properly, and the spelling should be correct. Kindly read and write the answers. Okay, that is your homework. So see you in the next class. Take care and bye bye. Thank you.